It's hay cutting day, so James this evening is cutting all of the hay. You can't really see him behind me because our tall grass blocks it, but he's cutting all of the grass that you see behind me here, and he just got finished cutting all of the grass on the other side of the property where our horse barn and big barn is. So he's gonna cut this now, and then when this is done, he's gonna let it lay all day tomorrow, and then after work on Monday and Tuesday, he's gonna bale it, and then we're gonna pick it up and put it all in the hay barn later this week. I don't know, Wednesday, who even knows. So that's what we're working on today. And this is what the boys are doing while James is cutting hay. They are playing in the grass with tractors. Elias, are you having fun? Yeah. You look cool, dude. Are you getting chiggers?
No.
Good. Well, we're just now getting around to actually raking the hay, unfortunately, because it rained the past few days, but then we had a dry few days, so now it's finally dry, so we're finally raking it.
We're going to be raking and baling hay today, but I had to fix my baler. I don't know much about them, but I had a piece break back here. So I'm going to replace this piece here. I didn't have a piece of aluminum, so I used copper ground rod, which isn't the idea, and I had to put a bend in it. And hopefully this doesn't make everything blow up, but we'll find out. I think I got the baler fixed for now. We'll start raking the fields, and after we rake the fields, we'll try out the baler and what I fixed and everything, so hopefully we don't have issues.
So you're going to rake now?
I'm going to go to rake those fields now.
Okay. So this here is actually the edge of our property. This is like half of a random ridge that we have at the end of one of our property lines. So James has already, as you can see, raked this into a pile, so we'll bale that in a little bit. Now we are over in the side field next to the house. And back that way is where we just did half of that ridge top that we own. We just did that one with the hay rake. Now we are heading down the road to our neighbor's property to do hay on his place as well. Ready, boys? Let's go.
Ready to start baling hay.
Got this section done. And we're moving up that way. We are making progress. We're getting bales. You can see them in the field, but we're having trouble because this stupid thing, our double knotter, this knotter works great. This knotter keeps getting caught. So I have to actually walk next to the hay baler, like literally right next to it. And I have to watch that every time it ties a knot. If it gets caught, I have to undo it real quick. And I gotta yank on that string to keep it going. So it's taking a while because I have to walk next to the hay baler, but we are getting her done. We are done with this part of our property. So next, we're gonna head over to our neighbors. It's hard to see, but there's a bunch of hay bales over the hill there too. Looks great. All right, now we're over here at our neighbor's place, baling the hay here.
I can't drive with him on this.
So far, so good. It is done. You can't see them all, but there are so many hay bales. Oh my gosh, I'm exhausted. So right now I am doing really hard work driving the truck in the hay bale field. The boys are in the back of the truck. I don't know if you can see them. And then James is out here doing the real hard work. He is lifting up every single hay bale. We already loaded up our entire farm. which was 60 something bales. And now we are doing our neighbor's property, which is probably gonna be more than 100 bales. And he's doing it all by himself. And I'm driving, it's really hard.
Okay, you can move up a little bit.
Okay. There he goes, Mr. Muscles. He has to get all these hay bales. There are so many.
Mommy, what does
They're
this
everywhere.
do?
That's a salt block. It's for deer. The deer come and lick it. How tired are you?
Very tired. I just loaded every bale, picked them up, drove half of the time by myself.
I know.
Thanks, Courtney.
Stop. We did it. There's all the hay bales. Probably about 100 on this trailer. Woo, buddy, we're tired. That's a wrap for the day. James, how many hay bales did we get total?
150.
Woo.